Hello everyone, Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. So I'm at another property, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, single wide. If you follow our social media, you've probably already seen this one posted on there as one of our more updated rehabs that we've done. Black cabinets, we decided to go a little bit differently than what we traditionally typically go with. And I'm going to give you a quick little tour of the mobile home. But the reason I want to make this video is talk about numbers, talk about opportunities, and the type of ROI, return on your investments, that you can also get with mobile homes. So let me go ahead and I'm going to start with this side of the mobile home. So this is one of the bedrooms. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So here we go. And it's a 14 by 70. If you know sizes of mobile homes, it's a decent size for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Typically, we could convert this into a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and that's obviously how you increase value in the mobile home, and also you are able to collect more. The more bedrooms, the more you're able to collect, the more you're able to sell it for. So here is the living room side. I think we had to replace every window in this one mobile home. Every window had to be replaced. So you can see where, let me see, the numbers are still, and we have a whole coaching on how to, you can see the numbers on there, but on how to purchase material for the rehabs. You can't just run to your local home improvement store and think you'll stick within budget. So, but let me keep finishing the tour, and then I want to talk about numbers. That's how it's going to make sense. So here is the laundry room. That's the door I came in through. So now going into what's considered the master bedroom. It does have decent sized closets as well, but now I'm in the master bedroom. So full size shower on this one. Also, of course, we had to replace new toilets on it. Also, old ones were pretty rough. So, but here is the shower, and if I can turn around in here, here is the toilet. So now let's talk about numbers. When you think about investing, and I continue to hear that I don't like it. It doesn't have this, it doesn't have that. You need to focus as an investor on numbers. If the numbers make sense, then the investment has to make sense, right? Stop looking at it with the heart, as I say, and start thinking about with your mind. What are the projection numbers that I can think of? So here's the agreement, which has been signed at this time, waiting on them to go and get the down payment. Okay, so we purchased this mobile home for $6,000. Pretty rough. It was pretty rough. A lot of the flooring had to be replaced. We put all brand new carpet in here. We painted the entire, a lot of trim, a lot of windows, a lot of little tedious things on there as well. But all in all, we are $3,500 into the rehab, which also allocated for the material. So that's all in the rehab, the labor, etc. Holding, utilities, insurance, it put us right there on the $10,000 mark. All right, so now let's talk about the return on the investment. So we put this on the market as of this morning, and it's sold now. So, again, when you think about what is the need and demand, there's always going to be a need and demand for affordability housing. And when you offer opportunities like we do, it's, people run to them. So we sold this property for $22,500. Now that's going to be on a payment plan, which we're going to take a down payment of $5,000 and finance the remaining within the next few years. So that's how you can start creating cash flow. Now, think about getting all your money back. I just said we're all in for $10,000 and we're taking a down payment of $5,000. So how many more months am I going to have to go before I get all my money? That's how you got to think smartly, wisely, and think of investing. How much money could I have out on the field and continue to invest? Because you got to remember, you got to invest, sell, recycle, and over. You got to keep going. So that's how you multiply. We do one property here and we have multiple that we're doing the exact same thing. We've obviously grown into that, but for those of you that are new into this, start with one. Start with one investment, learn everything possible from it, and then go on to your next one and your next one. Do the math, do the ROIs on that. 10K all in, sold it for $22,500. Is that a good deal for you? No deal is the same. No investment is the same, but as long as it makes profits and it makes sense, that's the deal that you need. We do coach. I am coaching one-on-one from time to time. At this time, we're not taking on as many students as we were at one time, but we do have coaching programs that are coming, and there are events. We're talking about having the shadow, which the shadow event is the day where you get to shadow me for a full day, and I show you step by step how I invest in mobile homes. So, definitely stay tuned for that. We're thinking about mid-May. on that. Depends on when you're watching this video. But if you have any questions, you can always email us, j@garciamhu.com. You can visit garciamhu.com and follow our coaching, follow our social media. We're always putting content out there, always trying to add value. Till next time, thank you for watching.